guys, today I'd like to remind you how to use Incredibox website. We're going to start by typing www.incredibox.com. Okay, first option here, very nice. Okay, inside the platform you're gonna click in web version. Okay, you're gonna try web version, and now you're gonna choose one of this configuration to start. Okay, I'd like to use Sunrise. Click and wait until it opens. Very nice. Now you're gonna go on mixing sounds and rhythms until unlock those levels. Okay guys, very nice. Let's try another one. Very nice guys, I'd like to see your creativity. Okay, gonna mixing. If you want to click here to see some hints, okay, to mix all of those elements. Very nice guys, challenge your family and have a great job.